Master bedroom, all the outlet lines are run. Just need to install boxes to prepare for drywall. And this, we're just gonna go over it with drywall. The closet. Here, I need another outlet run. This is the home run line. So I need a line run from here to here. All the spots where outlets need to be run are marked in spray painted white. So I need a line run to there. Box, smoke detector. Same thing here. You have all the outlet spots marked there, there, and there. You can run it off of this line here. This is the home run line. New outlet boxes and new lines. Okay. Box. Same thing here. We have box. This is the home run line right here. So we can run it wherever. There's a spot there, wherever you can run a box. And then the lines, we'd have an outlet here. Wherever's easier, here, or you can do it even here. It might be easier there. Drill a hole straight down. And then an outlet there. That's it. Okay. Drywall all the way up. So that way this whole thing looks finished. Drywall all the way up to the ceiling. Same thing with this. Drywall all the way up. This is the home run for the living room for the outlets. So run everything off of this one. You got it right here. Everything's marked with white spray paint. Box here. Another box here. That's okay. A box there. A box somewhere over here as well. I had it marked as there. But wherever you see easier, there might be the easiest. So this is gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. Okay. So living room, 6 electrical boxes. Then in the dining room, here's the home run for the dining room. So box there. Need to run a line there and another line there. This is the home run for the kitchen. So we're gonna do a box there. We're gonna do the line and box here. Line and box here. Here. And here. So kitchen is gonna have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All run off of this one here. Make sure it's this one. This is the independent dishwasher line. So I just run an outlet somewhere right here for the dishwasher. This is dedicated refrigeration line. So outlet right there. This one is going to be, I need spliced, and it's going to be used for the microwave and for the stove. So an outlet somewhere right around there for the stove, and just leave this line free for the microwave. Then here also, we need to move this hit from the center ceiling, move the hit to come out the box, either up top, down low, preferably here on the side. In here you have the mixing valve for the shower, and I'm gonna leave more parts as well, like the female adapters, everything you need. You also have the 3/4 CSST line to add to the gas line over there, which I'll show you, as well as all the fittings you need. Okay, so here in the basement, Here's the home run for the basement room. So run off of this, we're gonna do box there, box here, and then run across, box there, and another box right there for the outlets. And then in the laundry, we have a box here for the washing machine on this side. So you can run that, that's the dedicated line. And then this, you can just have it come out right here. And we can add a piece of blocking. So that way when the plug gets screwed in, we have somewhere to screw it. Okay. Here, this needs to get recentered. You have the shower pan in the garage. Just run the mixing valve, and all the parts will be here for the shower. Okay. So for the gas line, what I was saying is run the CSST flex line from there. Just run it somewhere in here in this box. So when they come to install the meter, all the work can be done right here in this box and not, you know, have to break drywall. I'm gonna buy and leave another bonding clip with a bonding rod. Just tie it to the gas line. So from here, tie it, connect it here, the ground wire, and just tie it into the gas line as well. Extra wood, if you could just use it, please, for blocking, just give it extra. That way we can use it. Just use it as blocking wherever you can throughout the basement. Okay, here I have the furring strips there. If we can run them on the garage, that way we could do a 3/8 or a 1/2 inch drywall on the ceiling without tearing the whole thing down. That would be ideal. Okay. And then for the outlets in the garage, you have the home run right here. Run it from there. We're gonna do 3. Outlet box there, outlet box here, and another outlet box right there. Now, the last bit is this here. I have the grounding wire coming up to here. I'm gonna buy an adapter. If you could drill a hole right here to run the grounding rod, which is right here, run the ground rod into the ground, that would be ideal before we close it up. And then just tie this into the grounding rod. And